Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be playing Super Golf in Roblox with my friend Ayush.
Hey guys!
So let's get started. We'll be going in private server.
Guys, even I'm gonna be joining.
Yup, he's gonna be coming
So we
too.
first will show you guys some cool tricks. We have different tricks. By the way, which map are we gonna play, Arav?
Yeah, we'll be playing the new map which has just come, the Atlantis map. Sorry, the island
Oh
map.
wow! Which one? Let's just go ahead with Atlantis.
No, we'll play island. We'll play island.
But Island has only 9 holes and Atlantis has 18.
That's the uniqueness
So
of
let's go
island. That's the uniqueness of island. It's a 9-hole map. The only map in Super Golf which has 9 holes. Let's get started. Save.
So I guess
Start game.
let's just do voting.
Oh, I already selected it. We'll do it next time.
Right?
You please go subscribe to his channel. The name will be in the description below. He also has some amazing content.
And a new video is gonna be coming out today, guys.
Yup. So let's get started. We will also be teaching you cool tricks to get better on this. So in this hole, you first set 99 as the power and aim over here. You should not be coming over here. I just made a mistake. This was not where you're supposed to come. But you go with the same power, a little bit more behind. You go in the correct position, just in front of the hole, and you should be easily going in after that. So now you have to put power as 99, aim over here, and timing should be when the closer block which is closer to us is nearer us more. So you play like this. You should come over here. I guess this is not the best position possible. You should be going more better, but that is also okay, not bad. You can score albatross from there. For the next hole, let's move on. Now for this hole, we have two different tricks. First we'll show mine with 78 power. Oh,
Actually, guys, here is a big difference. Yes, same aiming.
yup. It's just same.
But
I should
I
just
don't know
change.
about your power. My power is 69. But I just
Here
got
is there.
kinda unlucky.
Now we are gonna show
I was
the
kinda
power
unlucky.
78 and the aiming I cannot explain by words, but you can see it, so that's good. Shoot. And that's a hole in one, guys. Let's go.
What took that power? 68.
So okay.
Okay.
Now for this hole,
You just have power difference.
yup, the power is different, but we have the same aiming. So first I will show you mine. The power is 87 and aims like this. And then you shoot. You should be getting a high-o. Yes, guys, we got a high-o, hole in one.
Okay, so for me, it's 86.
Oh, we both got a hole in one.
Like us. So guys, I promise this is gonna make you guys a pro.
Yup, this is gonna make you. We
You
have
go with
different aimings for and powers for this.
Yeah?
So first,
you go ahead first.
yup, we'll just spectate you and see how. This was just unlucky. Oh, not bad. We came here. So now that was
You got the
lucky.
eagle for sure.
Yup, we got an eagle, guys. Let's go. Now we'll see his
Okay,
aiming
for
and
me,
power.
You need to aim just when the slope starts with 92.
So he's come
And if you
here.
get lucky, you should.
If you are lucky, the thing which is circling over here will get you down the slope and maybe into the hole.
Come
but-
on, go in.
That was close for him. Okay, so that's a body for him. Let's continue. It's hole 6. So for this, we have the same aiming and power. You have to time it exactly when the board in front is in the middle with 99. You should come here And that's a hole in one for both of us. Let's go. So now for the next hole. So now
Okay, so what's your power?
I'll show you mine. I'll show you guys mine. Power's 83 and you have to aim and time it correctly. So this was mine. That was so close, guys. Now for Ayush's. Let's go ahead with Ayush's. He kinda also has the same. He got a hole in one in this hole for the first time.
81.
Now for this hole, you're supposed to go with 87 and zoom out so you can see all the circles.
Now you can shoot.
Now you have to time it when the circle near the hole is open towards us. Just like this. That was so close. This is a 110% luck based hole, guys. So do not worry, you might not get it a high and you might as well get it. We both got pars though. Pretty cool. Now is the last hole. Now you can zoom in back. For this 99 is not so trustable. So just try doing menu play. Yep, now you got 100. Time it when both those sticks are in between. Ayush got unlucky and he's there. But I didn't. That's a hole in one. Let's go. Now we'll just wait for Ayush to score it. He tried to finish it off in style, but it didn't work. This time will it work? No, it didn't. Yes, this time it did. That's a relief for him. And that's the end of the map, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notifications for my latest uploads. Do not forget to subscribe to his channel. I'll keep the name in the description below. Bye.